All right, we'll see you then. Ansley, thank you. Now to the latest of the wildfires in California. Officials in Los Angeles County now say at least 24 people have died in those deadly wildfires that have been burning for nearly a week now in Los Angeles and in surrounding areas. Some people who live there have compared the tens of thousands of acres to charred land to a war zone. Weather forecasts predict strong Santa Ana winds will return in the next few hours through Wednesday, with the potential to fan the flames even further. Charlie DeMar has more from Los Angeles.
Firefighters in Southern California are in a race against time to contain the deadly wildfires. The National Weather Service warns that dangerous high winds are expected to return in the coming hours.
These winds, combined with low humidities and low fuel moistures, will keep the fire threat in all of Los Angeles County very high.
As of Sunday, officials said the Palisades fire, the largest, was still less than 20% contained. Residents of the luxury community returned home over the weekend to find their homes reduced to rubble.
It's devastating and numbing, but everybody I've spoken to who's lost their homes, they all want to rebuild.
And not every resident has been able to get back into their home due to National Guard checkpoints that have been set up for safety concerns. This as California's governor has ordered another 1,000 National Guard troops on the ground.
The tragedy has triggered a massive outpouring of donations. Piles of bottled water, clothing, and other necessities took over the parking lot at the Santa Anita racetrack near the Eaton fire.
We were like, let's go help. We have to.
Danny Lee and his 6-year-old son Oliver were among the many volunteers.
Kids and grown-ups are homeless. They don't have anywhere to live.
Officials say hundreds have fled the area to shelters, with tens of thousands of people in LA County still under evacuation orders.
Just terrible. Utility company Southern California Edison says it is cooperating with an investigation into whether its equipment may have sparked the Hearst fire. The company says it doesn't know if a power conductor was down before or during the fire. More than 40,000 people in California at this point are without electricity. This is according to the website Find Energy. Fire officials say power may be shut off in fire-prone areas to prevent more blazes.